What is up, guys? I hope you're doing well. So today on the channel we are installing some retractable tie-down straps. So this is the Boat Buckle brand. Found out I could get one in stainless steel, and being that this trailer is going to be used in saltwater, this right here makes launching and loading just so much easier. I mean, basically it's going to bolt right here, and when I need to strap it, hook it on, then I press a button right here. But we'll get into that in a second. So what they send with you to install one of these is a bolt. You've got 2 washers. They're pretty thin, and you got a lock nut. So one thing that I recommend is replace the washer that's going on the back side of here with a heavy duty washer. So check this out. I mean, just to kind of give you a size comparison, go with something that's pretty rigid. But check this out. So first thing you want to do, get the skinny washer, put it right here. So you got a bolt hole right here. Then you want to pull this back to slide the bolt in place, because you can't get it in otherwise. So line it up. Now that ain't gonna fall out. Next, you want to get a little never seize and put on this bolt. It is so important to do that, being that this is going in salt water. You definitely want to use never seize. And do not be scared, especially since this is going to be the part that goes in the water a lot. Put a good amount of never seize on that. Next, get this big heavy duty washer. Slide it over the back like that. And last, get this lock washer. Start screwing it on. So there's really just 2 tools that you need for this. This particular bolt's a 5/8 size, so I got a 5/8 inch socket and a 5/8 open end wrench. So get the open end wrench, hang on this outside right here, and on this back side is where you want to use your socket. Now they do send a pretty long bolt, so it does take a few seconds. Getting closer. Now you don't want to like overkill this guy. Just get it not like that, just where it can kind of roll around a little bit. And yeah, that's it. So press the button, it's loose, and that guy's strapped. That's how you install one of these things. It's that easy. Guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you're brand new to my channel and like this video, give it a thumbs up. I invite you to subscribe. Got a lot of cool other fishing videos on here that you'll really enjoy. Y'all keep God first in your life, and we'll see you in another video.